Good evening, dear students. Now we discuss about arrays. Introduction. When we need to handle a large amount of data, we need a powerful data type that would facilitate efficient storing, accessing and manipulation of data items. C support a derived data type called arrays. Definition of arrays. An array is a homogeneous collection of data items with the same name and same data type is called array. An array is described by a single name or an identifier. Each individual item in the array is referenced by an subscript or index, which is enclosed in a pair of brackets. So, the index gives the position for an individual data item in an array. The index must be always an unsigned positive integer. For example, the above figure shows 33, 56, 78, 65, 39. In that number, the below shows array elements AF0, AF1, AF2, AF3 and AF4, where A is an array name and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the subscripts. AF0 indicates the first element in an array A. The types of arrays: one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, multi-dimensional array. How to declare of an array? Array must be declared before it appears in the program, the data type. At the same time, the size of an array must be specified. This means the compiler to know how much memory locations must be reserved for the array. Some rules available in the declaration of an array. First one, each subscript must be an positive integer constant. Subscript of subscript is not allowed. She does not perform bounds checking, therefore, the maximum subscript appearing in the program for a subscripted variable should not be executed. The declaration 1. In C, the subscript value ranges from 0 to 1, less than the maximum size. If size of an array is 10, then first subscript is 0, second subscript is 1, and the last subscript is 0 because 0 is included. Now we discuss about one-dimensional array. It is a linear list of fixed number of data items, the same data type and same name. All these data items are accessed using the same name with a single subscript is called as one-dimensional array or one subscripted variable. Syntax: data type, array name and size of an array, where data type is any basic data type in that is int, float, char, double. These are all data types. Next one is array name. Is any valid identifiers. Example, place name, fruits name and human being names, etc. Size indicates the maximum number of an elements that can be stored inside the array. It must be an positive integer. We discuss about example in one-dimensional array. Int af10. This creates an array name A of 10 integer numbers. Char message of 20. The size of the message is 20. Float x of 5. The point value is maximum 5. Double p equals to 50. It's a collection of ratios. How to initialization of an array? Initialization of an array is the process of assigning values to its continuous memory locations by specifying the initial values of individual elements in the array declaration. The initial values of the right side of equal sign in an array declaration statement and are separated by commas and enclosed in braces. All the initial values must be constant. Syntax: data type array name of size equals to open the flower braces element 1, element 2, element n, where data type is an basic C data type, that is int, float, char and double. Array name is an any valid identifiers. Size indicates the maximum number of elements that can be stored inside the array. It must be any positive integers, element 1 up to element n, are the initial values enclosed within the pair of curly braces, and all these elements are separated by commas, and these elements must be written in the order in which they will be assigned. For example, int is the data type, num variable name of 4, the size of the array size 2, 15, 16, 24. There are 4 items of the arrays. This declaration initialized first 4 elements of an array name num of 4 as shown below. 2, 15, 16 and 24. The below table shows num0, num1, num2, num3 is the variable of the arrays. Now we discuss about some questions. This concept: an array is a dash collection of variables with the same name and same data type. And the option is heterogeneous, homogeneous, both A and B, none of the above. Which one is correct? B, homogeneous. And the second question is, a subscript can be positive integer constant. And the option is true, false. Answer is A, it's a true. Thank you, students.